Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn about how to download and install the latest version of NetBeans IDE on Windows 10 and also write the first program in Java and run it. First we download the NetBeans IDE from NetBeans official website. Now let's start. First open your favorite search engine and write here NetBeans. Now we open the NetBeans official website netbeans.apache.org. Double click on it. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans is available here. If you open this website at any time, the latest version of NetBeans will be available here. Now we click on download. This page of website will be open. Link of this website also given in description. If you want to download NetBeans for Linux, you can click on this link. If you want to download NetBeans for Mac OS, you can click on this link. But no, I am downloading NetBeans for Windows 10, so I click on this link. After opening this page of website, you click on this link. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans IDE is downloading here. It takes time to download. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans IDE installer is downloaded. Now we install it. Double click on it. Now we click on next. Now we accept the license. If you want to read the license agreement, you can it. Otherwise check out this checkbox. I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. If you want to change the installation location of NetBeans IDE, you can it. Here you can see the installation location of NetBeans IDE is written here. Here you can see the path of Java JDK is also selected here. It's mean the latest version of Java JDK is also installed on my PC. If you do not have installed Java JDK on your PC, first install the latest version of Java JDK on your PC and then install the NetBeans IDE. If you want to install the latest version of Java JDK, you can see this video. Link of this video also given in description and also showing in I button. Now we click on next. If you want your NetBeans IDE automatically updates and its installed plugins automatically updates, then check out this checkbox. Otherwise uncheck this checkbox. I prefer to check out this checkbox and click on next. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans IDE is installing on Windows 10. Now you can see here the installation is completed successfully. Now we click on finish. Now we open the latest version of NetBeans IDE and write first program in Java and run it. Now go to search bar, write here NetBeans. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans IDE is here. Now we open it. Double click on it. Now you can see here the latest version of NetBeans IDE is open. Now we create new project. Click on file. Click on new project. Now here select the category. We selecting Java with Maven and here you select your project. I am selecting Java application. Now we click on next. Now here we write the project name. I am writing the project name app1. Here you choose the project location where you want to save your project. Here you select group ID. I am leaving it default. Here you choose your package name. This is optional. If you do not want to write any package name, then you can leave it. I am leaving it default. Click on finish. Now you can see here in the latest version of NetBeans IDE, the first program in Java automatically written here. Now we run it. Click on this icon. First time it takes time to install some necessary packages and plugins. Now you can see here the hello world is written here. Now we change the hello world with technical educational tips. Now we run this program. Click on this icon and run the program. Now you can see here this program is successfully run and output is showing here. Now you can see here the technical and educational tips is written here. In this way you can download and install the latest version of NetBeans IDE on Windows 10. If you like this video, like it. If you do not have subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.